Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? This question has puzzled humanity for centuries, sparking our curiosity and driving us to explore the cosmos. The universe is an unimaginably vast expanse, teeming with billions of galaxies, each home to billions of stars. With such astronomical numbers, the possibility of extraterrestrial life seems more likely than not. We are on a quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Among the mysteries we seek to unravel is the existence of alien civilizations. Could there be other sentient beings out there, looking up at their own night sky and wondering the same about us? Does the universe, in its infinite grandeur, harbor life beyond our little blue planet? The exploration of these possibilities has led to a myriad of theories, each more fascinating than the last. Join us as we count down the top 10 theories about alien civilizations. At number 10, we have the rare Earth hypothesis. This theory takes a rather humbling view of our place in the cosmos. Instead of presuming that the universe is teeming with life, the rare Earth hypothesis suggests that complex life forms may be exceedingly scarce, perhaps even unique to our planet. This theory hinges on the idea that the emergence of complex life isn't just about being in the right place at the right time, but needing an extraordinary sequence of just right conditions. It's not enough for a planet to be within the habitable zone of a star, where liquid water could exist. Other factors like having a large moon to stabilize planetary tilt and climate, a magnetic field to fend off solar radiation, tectonic activity to recycle carbon, and even the right type of star are just a few examples of the perfect storm of conditions that seem necessary for complex life to flourish. While microbial life might be relatively common, the rare Earth hypothesis argues that complex, multicellular organisms like us are the exception, not the rule. It reminds us that life as we know it is a delicate balance, a cosmic ballet of countless factors working in perfect harmony. So, if this theory holds true, it poses a profound question. Could we be the only complex life form in the vast universe? Moving on to number 9, the Transcension hypothesis. This theory, mind-bending as it may seem, suggests that advanced civilizations inevitably leave our universe as they evolve, essentially transcending into a post-singularity condition. In this state, they become so technologically advanced that they exist on a plane beyond our comprehension or detection. Imagine, if you will, civilizations so advanced that they've harnessed the power of black holes, or perhaps even created their own universes. In essence, these civilizations could be operating on a level where conventional physics as we know it simply doesn't apply. They may have developed ways to manipulate space and time, or to exist in dimensions beyond our own three-dimensional understanding. This transcension could explain why we have yet to detect signs of extraterrestrial life, as these evolved civilizations would be virtually invisible to our technology and perception. If true, this theory would mean alien civilizations are all around us, but we simply can't perceive them. At number 8, we explore the zoo hypothesis. This fascinating theory proposes that we, the inhabitants of Earth, are living in a sort of cosmic wildlife sanctuary. Imagine for a moment that our entire planet is a vast interstellar zoo, inhabited by a diverse array of species observed and studied by advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. These advanced civilizations, according to the zoo hypothesis, are consciously avoiding contact with us. But why, you might ask? Well, there are several possible explanations. One is that they are waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or social development before revealing themselves. Another is that they are allowing us to evolve and develop naturally without interference. The zoo hypothesis also suggests that these extraterrestrial observers have established a sort of prime directive, a code of non-interference in our affairs. This concept, familiar to fans of Star Trek, posits that advanced civilizations refrain from interfering in the development of less advanced ones, even to the point of concealing their own existence. So could we be living in an intergalactic zoo, our every move watched by unseen eyes from the stars? While we have no definitive evidence to support this theory, it's a thought-provoking idea that challenges our assumptions about our place in the universe. It's a humbling reminder of how much we still have to learn about the cosmos and the potential life it may harbor. Are we unknowingly part of an intergalactic zoo? Number 7 brings us to the Kardashev scale. Named after the Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev, this scale offers a cosmic yardstick, categorizing civilizations by their energy consumption. It's a fascinating concept that pushes the boundaries of our imagination. The scale starts with Type 1, a civilization that can harness all the energy available on its home planet. Next, Type 2, which commands the power of its entire star. And finally, Type 3, a civilization that utilizes the energy output of an entire galaxy. Imagine a civilization so advanced it could build a Dyson sphere around its star, capturing every photon to power its existence. Or a civilization that could harness the power of billions of stars in its galaxy. These are the heights that civilizations could potentially reach according to the Kardashev scale. Now the million-dollar question, or should we say, the million light-year question, where would humans rank on the Kardashev scale? At number 6, we delve into the self-destruction theory. This intriguing concept suggests that civilizations, including our own, might be destined for self-annihilation. It's a grim perspective, but one that is founded on observable patterns within human history and our own tendencies towards self-destruction. Consider this: a civilization attains a level of technology that allows for the development of radio signals, a milestone we've reached and surpassed. But with this advancement also comes the ability to create weapons of mass destruction, the potential for environmental devastation, and the capacity for large-scale resource depletion. In essence, the very tools that enable civilizations to grow and expand also possess the power to obliterate them. This theory posits that perhaps the reason we haven't made contact with other intelligent life forms is that they've already met their untimely end. They may have reached a technological peak, only to fall into oblivion due to self-inflicted wounds. This cycle of rise and fall could be a universal pattern, a chilling thought that casts a shadow on our own future. However, it's also a call to action. It's a reminder of the responsibility that comes with technological advancement. It's an opportunity to learn from hypothetical past civilizations and strive to avoid the same fate. Could self-destruction be the common fate of all intelligent life? The answer remains unknown, but this theory certainly serves as a warning and a reminder of our own fragility in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Coming in at number 5, the concept of Dyson spheres. Imagine an advanced civilization, a society so incredibly advanced that they've managed to harness the full power of their star. How, you might ask? By constructing a colossal megastructure around their star, a structure so massive it engulfs the entire star, capturing every bit of its energy. This is the concept of a Dyson sphere. Named after physicist Freeman Dyson, who proposed the idea in the mid-20th century, a Dyson sphere isn't a solid shell. No, it's more like a swarm of solar collectors, satellites, perhaps even habitats, all orbiting in a dense formation around the star. It's an idea that's both stunning and somewhat terrifying, a testament to the power of theoretically advanced civilizations. The implications of such a structure are mind-boggling. The energy harnessed could fuel technologies far beyond our current comprehension and sustain a civilization of an unimaginable scale. But, as with any theory, it comes with its own set of questions. How would a civilization build such a structure? What materials would they use? And perhaps most intriguingly, what would happen to the inhabitants of planets within that star system? Would they become prisoners within their own star, or would they thrive in the constant light of their captured sun? And then there's the ultimate question. What would we see if an alien civilization had built a Dyson sphere? At number 4, the intriguing simulation hypothesis. This theory sweeps the rug from beneath our feet, challenging our understanding of reality itself. It proposes that our universe, yes, everything around us, is nothing more than a computer simulation, a complex, hyper-realistic game created by a highly advanced alien civilization. Imagine for a moment our entire existence, every particle, every galaxy, every law of physics, merely lines of code in an alien supercomputer. The proponents of this theory argue that if a civilization reaches a technologically advanced stage, it could create countless simulations of its ancestors or other life forms. This mind-bending theory doesn't just stop at the universe. It suggests that these simulations could be nested within simulations, like a cosmic Russian doll. It's a radical idea that blurs the line between reality and illusion. So strap yourself in, because if this theory holds true, we're all characters in an alien video game. Could we all be living in a cosmic computer game? Number 3 on our list, the Panspermia theory. Here's a thought. What if life on Earth didn't start on Earth? This is the central premise of the Panspermia theory. This fascinating concept suggests that life exists throughout the cosmos, not confined to one planet or even one solar system. But how does life get around, you ask? Well, the theory proposes that life, or at least the building blocks of life, are distributed across the universe by meteoroids, asteroids, comets, and planetoids. Imagine a cosmic game of billiards, where these celestial bodies collide and scatter debris, some of which might contain microorganisms or biochemical compounds necessary for life. These life-bearing fragments then hurtle through the vastness of space, potentially landing on other planets and seeding life there. It's a mind-bending idea, isn't it? If the Panspermia theory were true, it could mean that we Earthlings are not just inhabitants of our planet, but citizens of the universe. It also suggests that life is not a unique one-off event, but a common occurrence across the cosmos. This theory doesn't just challenge our understanding of life's origins, but also opens up exciting possibilities for the existence of alien civilizations. After all, if life can be transported across the universe, who's to say we're the only game in town? Could life on Earth have originated from elsewhere in the universe? At number 2, we have the well-known Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox is a compelling contradiction that has puzzled scientists for decades. It's named after the renowned physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" This paradox addresses the discrepancy between the high probability estimates for the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the stark lack of evidence or contact with such civilizations. The universe is vast, with billions upon billions of stars, many of which are likely to host habitable planets. Given the sheer number of potential cradles for life, and considering the age of the universe, it seems highly likely that there should be other intelligent life forms out there. Yet, despite decades of searching the skies, we've found no definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, let alone advanced civilizations. This is the crux of the Fermi Paradox. There are many proposed solutions to this paradox. Some suggest that advanced civilizations might be avoiding contact, or that they're simply too far away. Others propose that such civilizations have a short lifespan, destroying themselves before they can reach out to the cosmos. But all these are just speculations, theories attempting to solve a riddle that remains unsolved. The Fermi Paradox forces us to question our place in the universe and ponder the possibilities of life beyond our planet. It reminds us of the profound mystery and intrigue that space holds, a mystery that keeps us searching, wondering, and asking that same question Fermi did all those years ago. Where is everybody? At number 1, we present the Drake equation. This mathematical formula may not be as famous as EMC squared, but it has a profound implication. It's a probabilistic argument used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our Milky Way galaxy. The equation was developed by Frank Drake, not out of a certainty that extraterrestrials exist, but to stimulate scientific dialogue at the first scientific meeting on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. It includes factors like the rate of star formation, the percentage of those stars with planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. There's a catch, though. Many of these factors are still unknown, making the equation more of a tool for thought experiments than an exact calculator. But it does give us a starting point to ponder one of the universe's biggest mysteries. How many civilizations could be out there according to the Drake equation? So there you have it, the top 10 theories about alien civilizations. We've journeyed from the rare Earth hypothesis, speculating on the exceptional conditions required for life, to the Transcension hypothesis, pondering our own future evolution into higher dimensions. We've visited the cosmic zoo of the zoo hypothesis and measured civilizations on the Kardashev scale. We've considered our own potential for self-destruction and marveled at the concept of Dyson spheres. We've questioned our reality with the simulation hypothesis, explored the possibility of life seeds traveling the cosmos in the Panspermia theory, and grappled with the silence of the Fermi Paradox. Finally, we've reached for the stars with the Drake equation, attempting to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. Each theory invites us to think, to question, and to explore the limitless possibilities of our universe. While the existence of alien civilizations remains a mystery, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues. What do you think? Are we alone in the universe? As we draw this interstellar journey to a close, we encourage you to further engage with this cosmic conversation. Did you gain some new knowledge or insights from our video? If so, We would appreciate it if you could give it a like. We want to hear your thoughts and opinions on these theories about extraterrestrial existence, so feel free to share them in the comments section below. If you found this content enlightening and enjoyable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with more theories, facts, and explorations of the infinite universe. And above all, if this video has sparked your interest or inspired you in any way, make sure to share it with your friends, family, and fellow Skywatchers. Together, let's strive to touch the stars and uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Who knows? We may find out we're not the only ones out here. Until our next cosmic expedition, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and exploring.